Good morning, children. Welcome back to our class. The last class we had studied factor theorem, and on the basis of that factor theorem, we did some questions. Okay, all of you studied that. Today we are going to study about factories. Before that, we have to check our previous knowledge. Okay, that means the last year you had studied the identities a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, x plus a into x plus b. All of you don't know that identity. That is a plus b whole square is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. You don't know that? That is a square plus 2ab plus b square is what? A plus b whole square. You don't know this? And a square minus 2ab plus b square is what? A minus b whole square. Okay, that is a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. And other identities, that is a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, and x square plus a plus b into x plus ab is x plus a into x plus b. All of you know about this identity. Okay, that means a square plus 2ab. In factors means that a square plus 2ab plus b square is, we can say that a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, the meaning of that a plus b whole square is a plus b into a plus b. That is a plus b, we can write as a plus b into a plus b. That means the factorization of this a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b into a plus b. That is, the factors of this a square plus 2ab plus b square are a plus b into a plus b. Okay, like that, the factors of a square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b into a minus b. That means a minus b whole square we can write as a minus b into a minus b. So that's why its factors are a minus b into a minus b. Like that, the third identity a square minus b square, the factors of a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, the last of identity is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Its factors is x plus a into x plus b. What is the meaning is a plus b means sum and ab means product. Okay, that is x square plus sum into x plus product is, that is x plus a into x plus b. That is, its factors is x plus a into x plus b. And now we can use to solve some factors. We can did some factorization on the basis of this identity. Okay, we can do some of factorization using this x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So let's go through an example of this one. Okay, in the last year you had studied one question is x square plus 5x plus 6. What is the meaning of this question? X square plus 5x plus 6. That is, here the sum we get 5 and here the product we get 6. Here sum is 5 and product is 6. That is the meaning this question. The next is how to find the numbers. That means x square plus a plus b into x plus ab is x plus a into x plus b. We need a and b from here. We need A and B. From these questions, we can need A and B. Then how to get that A and B? Using these numbers, we can find A and B. That means we need we get the product is 6 and the sum is 5. In which numbers we multiplied to get the 6? First we find that numbers. Which of the numbers we multiplied to get 6? That is 1 into 6 is 6. 2 into 3 is 6. So we get the product 6 is 1 into 6 is 6 and 2 into 3 is 6. Okay. Now the next step is how to give that plus sign. The sign is plus, so our number, we can select the number. Either two numbers are plus or the two numbers are minus. Now this number is plus or minus. How to give that plus and minus? So next we check the sign of sum. Here the sign is plus, so that two numbers are positive numbers. But if the sign is here negative, then the two numbers are negative. Understood? First we check the sign of product. If the sign of product is plus, then the two numbers are either positive or negative. Then next we check the sign of sum. If the sign of sum are plus, then that selected number, the two numbers will be positive. Or if the sign is negative, then the two numbers are negative. Here in this question, the sign is positive, so that selected number, the two numbers be positive. Okay. Then which of the numbers we need to take this to solve this problem? So for that, we select 1 into 6 is 6. So, okay, that product is we get. Then we get for adding these two numbers, we get the sum as 5. Let's 1 plus 6 is what? That is 7. It's not possible because we need the number 5, but we get the number is 7. So these two numbers are no need to select. The next is 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. So we get the sum as 5 and the product as 6. So our numbers are 2 and 3. So our numbers here is x plus 2 and x plus 3. This we had studied in the last year. Understood? That is how question is x square plus 5x plus 6. In this case, we first find the sum is 5 and the product is 6. So, first we select the numbers. So, 1 into 6 is 6 and 2 into 3 is 6. These are the numbers we select. And which are the numbers we need to solve this problem is, first we check the sign of here. The product sign is plus. If the product sign is plus, then the two numbers are plus or minus. So we check the sum sign. The sum sign is plus, so that's why we select the two numbers are plus. So we put the numbers as plus here. Now we add, that is 1 plus 6 we get 7. But we need the number 5. So we get the number as 7. So no need to take this 1 and 6. It's not suitable in this case. The next is we get 2 and 3 is 6 and 2 plus 3 is 5. So we need the number 2 plus 3 is 5 here. So the numbers are x plus 2 and x plus 3. See children, in this case, here the coefficient of x square is 1. Then only we can solve this problem like this. Okay. Here the coefficient of x square is 1. Then only we can solve the problem. We can solve this. We can factorize this question like this. Okay. On the basis of that identity, now we are going to do the exercise 2.4. That question is factorize. Okay. That question is factorize. We have to do. That first question is 12x square minus 7x plus 1. The last year you have studied this identity, the coefficient of x square is 1 here. But in the case of this the coefficient of x square is 12. So we used to factorize and using another method. Okay, that is how to factorize this is we can find the product. First we can find the product that 12 into 1 like this. That is 12 into 1 is 12. Okay, and the sum here is minus 7. Okay, the product is 12 into 1 is 12 and the sum is minus 7. The next is which are the numbers to multiply to get this 12. We find the next step is which are the numbers to multiply to get this 12. That is 1 into 12 is 12. Okay, 1 into 12 is 12 and then 2 into 6 is, we can do this in working column. Okay, 2 into 6 is 12. Then 3 into 4 is 12. Okay, this much only. 1 into 2 is 1 into 12 is 12. 2 into 6 is 12. 3 into 4 is also 12. Now we check the sign. If the sign is the product sign is here is plus, so we select the number either plus and or both or minus. That is, we select the number either both the numbers positive or both the numbers negative. Okay, that is so. Which sign we used for check the sum sign? Here the sum sign is negative, so both the numbers are negative. So we put the sign negative sign here. Okay, so we put the negative sign here. Then add 1 into 12 is 12. Okay, we get the product is 12. Now 12 plus 1 is 13. We get the number is minus 13. So it's not possible in this case. Okay, we need to add the sum is minus 7. But here we get the sign is number is minus 13. So this number is not possible in this case. Okay, now 2 into 6 is 12. We get the product is plus 12. Then minus 7, that is 2 plus 6 is what? 8 minus 8. This is also not possible in this case. Okay. Then 3 into 4 is 12. 3 into 4 is 12. Then 3 plus 4 is 7. That is here the sign is minus. We get the number as minus 7. Okay. So we get the number, we need the number is minus 3 and minus 4. Understood? Okay. That is 3 into 4 is 12 plus 12. We get the product as 12 and add the sum we need minus 7. So we add 3 plus 4 is 7 and put common sign, that is minus 7. So we get the number as minus 7. So our numbers are, if this is possible in the case of this factorization, so our numbers are minus 3 and minus 4. Again we write the question as 12 x square minus 7x plus 1. Then we said, then next step we write 12x square. Instead of this minus 7x, we write minus 3x minus 4x. That is minus 3x plus minus 4x is minus 7x. So instead of this minus 7x, we write minus 3x and minus 4x. Okay. Then next is plus 1. Understood, children? That is 12x square minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7x and plus 1. Okay. The next step is we categorize into two parts. That is, this is first categories and this is second categories. In the first categories, 12x square minus 3x and this is other categories. In 12 and 3, which are the common number? Which is the common number from this 12 and 3? That number we put outside. We take it outside. Okay. That is, in 12 and 3, the common number are 3. So, the coefficient 3, we take it outside. Okay. Now, x square x square and this x, that variable x is common. So, this x is, we take it outside. That is, here then x, we take it outside. And remaining is from 12, the 3's get outside, take it outside, the remaining is 4. That is 3 into 4 is 12, like that. That is 12 and 3 is coming from which table? 3's table. So, we take it out this 3. Okay, understood? That is here 12, the remaining is 4, and x square, 1x is take it outside, and here remaining 1x is also. So, we write here x. Then put a negative sign here, and 3x is take it outside, and x is also take it outside. So, the remaining is 1, not 0, 1. 3x is take it outside, the remaining is 1 here. Understood, children? That is here. Now, next our aim is that we get a bracket here, that number is 4x minus 1. Here also we need a 4x minus 1. Then how to get a 4x minus 1? That is our aim. Okay. So, here the sign is minus 4x. So, we need the sign as plus 4x. So, we take it out a minus from here. This minus 4x, we take it out a minus. So, we get here 4x. That is, from this minus 4x, we take it out minus from this side. So, we get the number as 4x. Here the sign is plus 1. How to get this plus? Minus into minus is, we get plus. So, we take it out 1 minus. So, the remaining is minus 1. Understood, children? Once again, I tell, that is first 12x square. First category is the number is 12x square minus 3x. From these 12x square and 3x, which is common, that number we take it outside. Okay. From 12 and 3, the two numbers are coming from which table? 3's table. So, we take it out 3 outside. Okay. Then x square and x is common. So, we put x is outside. So, the remaining is from here 3 into 4 is 12. So, the remaining is 4. And x square is, here it is x. Then, here 3x, take it out, 3x outside. The remaining is 1. Okay. Then, the next aim is to 4x minus. We need a 4x minus in the next side. So, for that, we take here, we see that minus 4x is here. But we need a plus 4x. So, that's why we take it out a minus from here. So, that's why it gives the 4x. And here the sign is plus. So, my plus is, we get the minus into minus. So, 1 minus is, take it outside, we get the sign is minus 1. Now, see children, here 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1. It is these two numbers are common here. So, 4x minus 1, we take it outside. Okay. So, that's why 4x minus 1, take it outside. That is 4x minus 1, take it outside, and the remaining here is 3x. Okay. Now, here 4x minus 1, take it outside, the remaining is 1 here. So, this is the final answer. Okay, understood? This is the final answer. So, once again I tell, that is our question is 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Okay. In the product is, here the coefficient of x square. Here the coefficient of x square is 12. So, that's why the product is 12 into 1 is 12. Okay. And the sum is minus 7. So, which are the numbers we get the 12 is 1 into 12. 2 into 6 and 3 into 12. 3 into 4 is 12. But first we check the sign, here is plus. Product sign is plus. So, we select the two number sign, either positive or negative numbers. For that, for putting that negative or positive sign, we check the sum sign. Here the sum sign is negative, so the two numbers are negative. So we put the negative side of each numbers. Then we add. How to? 12 plus 1 is 13. We need minus 7, so it's not possible. 2 plus 6 is 8, so we need minus 7, so it's not possible. And the last is 3 plus 4 is minus 7. Minus 7, we need also minus 7. So we select the number as minus 3 and minus 4. Okay. Then next step is again we write the question. Instead of this minus 7x, we put the minus 3 and minus 4. That is minus 3x minus 4x. Okay. And minus 3x and minus 4x we put. And next we categorize the two categories into two categories. These numbers are two categories. The first two categories and the second part. In the first part we need which are the numbers and the variables common. That number and variable take it outside. In 12 and 3 are common, and x square and x is common. So 3x is take it outside. Okay. The remaining is 12, 4. So that is 3 into 4 is 12. X into x is x square. Okay. That is 4x. And 3x take it outside. The remaining is 1, not 0. 1 is here. Our next aim is to do 4x minus 1 is also here. For that, in this other two part, the second part, we have to get the 4x minus 1 here. For that, here this minus 4x, so minus sign we put take it outside, and the remaining is 4x, and plus, from plus we take minus outside, so the remaining is minus, and 1 also here. Then we can see that here 4x minus 1 and 4x minus 1 is common here. So 4x minus 1, take it outside, and the remaining here 3x minus 1. Understand? Next question is 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Here we can see that here the x square, the coefficient of x square is 2. So we can find the product as like this. That is, product is 2 into 3 is 6. Okay. We get the product is 2 into 3 is 6. And the sum is 7. Plus 7. Each numbers are plus. So no need to put the plus sign here. Here 2 into 3 is 6 and sum is 7. Now which are the numbers to get multiplied to get this 6? That's we find. That is, first is 1 into 6. 1 into 6 is 6. Then what? 2 into 3 is 6. These two numbers are 6. Okay. Multiples of 6. That multiples of 6. So the next step is, if the sign is plus, so both the numbers are either plus or minus. So first we check, and then which are the numbers are plus and minus. So first we check the sum sign. Here the sum sign is also plus number, plus sign. So the numbers are plus, here also plus. Now we add. How to get? We need to get this sum as 7. So 1 into 6 is 6, and 1 plus 6 is 7 we get. So these numbers are, we need to solve this. Okay. So again we write the question. 2x square plus 7x plus 3. 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Instead of this 7x, we write what? 1 and 6. Okay. That is 2x square plus 7x. Instead of this 7x, we need to write 1 and 6. That is 6x plus 1x or 1x plus 6x. Anywhere you can write 1x or 6x or 6x or 1x. You can write any method you can write. Here I write 6x first. If you want, if you need to write, if you want 1x first, you can write 1x here. Okay. It's not a problem. Then that is 2x square plus 6x plus 1x plus 3. That is 6 plus 1x is 7x. Okay. Now we categorize into two parts. This is the first part and it is the second part. In first part, 2x square plus 6x, which is the common number, that common number and a variable, take it outside. From 2 and 6, which are the common numbers? 2 is the common. So we take it outside. X square and x is the variable common. So we take that 2x outside. And the remaining here is 2x. 2 remaining is 1. No need to write that 1. And x square. X is take it outside. The remaining is x. The sign is plus. Here 2. 6. From 6. Which number? 2 is outside. The remaining is 3. That is 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. So that's why I write here 3. The x is also outside. Then x plus 3. And our next aim is to take this x plus 3 on this side also. Then only we can take it out, this bracket on the take it outside. So our aim is to find the x plus 3 on here. See children, here 1x plus 3 means x plus 3. So it's direct x plus 3. Now we get x plus 3 on here also. Okay, so x plus 3 and x plus 3 is common here, and x plus 3 is take it outside, that is x plus 3. The remaining is 2x, and here x plus 3 on outside, the remaining is 1. Okay, so our answer is x plus 3 into 2x plus 1. Okay, that is, again I tell this, 2x square plus 7x plus 3 is our question. First we find here the coefficient x square is the number 2. So we find the product as 2 into 3 is 6 and the sum is 7. Okay, that is 1 into 6 is, which are the numbers to get that 6 is 1 into 6 and 2 into 3. That is 1 into 6 is 6 and 2 into 3 is 6. And this product sign is plus. So that number either positive or negative. But here the sign is, some sign is plus. So both numbers are positive numbers. So we put plus sign here. And now we add 1 plus 6 is 7. First we get that number. That is 1 and 6 we need that number. Okay. So we write the questions 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Instead of this 6x, we write 6x plus 1x. Then plus 3. Then we categorize into two parts. The first category, second category. In the first two numbers, which are the common. That is 2x is the common. The remaining is x here, and here it is 3. Okay. And here now our next aim is to find the x plus 3 is also here. So see here 1x plus 3 means x plus 3. So x plus 3 is here. Next step is x plus 3 here and here also. So x plus 3 take it outside. The remaining here it is 2x and here it is 1. Okay. So our answer is x plus 3 into 2x plus 1. Understood? Next our question is question number 3, that is 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Here first we the x square, the coefficient of x square is 6. So first we find the product, that is product is 6 into 6 is 36. But here the sign is negative, so our sign is minus 36. We need minus 36. And the sum is plus 5. Which of the numbers we multiply to get this 36? That numbers first we write here. That is, that number is 1 into 36. 1 into 36 is 36. Now the next is 2. 2 into 18 is 36. Then 3. Now 3 into what? 3 into 12 is 36 and 4. 4 into 9 is 36. Now 5, it's not possible. Then 6. 6 into 6 is 36. These are the numbers. Okay, and continuing. These are the numbers to get this 36. Now we check the sign. here the sign is negative, so our number is either our number is plus and minus. One number is plus and the other number is minus. Which are the numbers are plus and which are the numbers is minus? For that we check the sign here. Here the sign is plus, so we need the sign as plus and minus. We need the sign as one number is plus and the other number is minus. Which are the number is plus and minus? For that we check here the sum sign. The sum sign is plus, so the bigger number sign is plus. Understood? The sum sign is plus, so the bigger number sign is plus. That is here plus and it is minus. Here the bigger number sign is plus and here minus. Here plus and here minus. Plus minus. Here you can use any because same numbers are here. So the next is we add, that is plus 36 minus 1. The answer is 35. 36 minus 1 is 35. It's not possible. We need only 5. Here 18 minus 2. 18 minus 2 is 16. So that's not possible. It's not possible. Here also not possible. 3. 12. 12 minus 3 is what? 9. So 9 is no need here. So it's not possible. Here 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. So our number is minus 4 and 9. Understood? Now again we write that question, that is 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Instead of this 5x we write 9 and minus 4, that is plus 9x and minus 4x, and here minus 6, that is instead of this 5x we write 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5, that is 5x. Okay, that is now the next step is we separate into two part, that is this is the first part and here the second part. That is in the first part 6x square plus 9x. Considering this first part, which are the numbers common? 6 and 9. Which are the numbers common? 3 is common. Isn't it? 3. So we take it outside 3. And here x square x is common. So we take it out x also. Then now here the number is 2x. That is 3 into 2 is 6. X into x is x square. Understood? Then here plus 9 outside we get 3. 3 into 3 is 9 and x is also outside. Okay, that is 3 into 2 is 6. X into x is x square. And here 3 into 3 is 9x. Okay. Now here minus 4x minus 6. Minus 4 and our next aim is to 2x plus 3. Our next aim is to we need 2x plus 3 here. For that here the sign is minus, so we take it out minus sign. Minus sound sign we take it outside. So no, here the numbers are plus sign. So that's why we take it out this minus sign. Okay. And considering these 4x and 6, which is the number common, that is 2. 4 and 6, 2 is common here. So we select 2 in the outside. And the remaining, this remaining is 2. From 2, this 2 into 2 is 4. So the remaining is 2 here. And x is also. Okay. Then minus, we take it outside and the remaining here it is plus. And 6, 2 is take it outside and the remaining is 3. So our answer is 2x plus 3. Here 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 here and 2x plus 3 here also. So 2x plus 3 is the common number. So 2x plus 3, take it outside. 2x plus 3, take it outside. And the remaining from here, it is 3x and here minus 2. 2x plus 3 on outside and the remaining here it is 3x. And here 2x plus 3 on outside, take it outside and the remaining here it is 2. So that's why this is the answer. Once again here, product is 6 into here x square. The coefficient of x square is 6. So product is 6 into 6 is 36. But the sign is minus 36. And the sum is plus 5. The numbers are 1 into 36, 2 into 8, 3 into 12, 4 into 9 and 6 into 6. But we need the sum sign as product sign is minus. So the need numbers are, the signs are plus and minus. And the sum is plus sign. If the sum is plus sign, so the bigger number sign is plus. So that's why I put the bigger numbers here plus and the smaller number sign is negative. And we add the numbers here, we get, it's not possible. Here we get the 16, so it's not possible. Here we get 12 minus 3 is 9, so it's not possible. Here 9 minus 4 is we get 5. So yeah, we select this minus 4 and a 9 here. That is, instead of this 5x, we write plus 9x and minus 4x. That is 9 minus 4x is 5x. Understood? Then we categorize into two parts. The first part 6x square plus 9x. 3x is common here. So 3x is taken outside and we get 3 into 2, 6 and x into x square. So we get here 2x and 3. 3 into 3 is 9x. So we get the number as 2x plus 3. And here also we need this 2x plus 3. So minus and minus here. So minus we take it outside. And 4 is for considering this 4 and 6. 2 is common. So 2 is take it outside. And here the remaining is 2x. That is 2 into 2 is 4x. Okay. Then minus take it outside. So this sign is plus. And 2 into 3 is plus. Okay. Now here 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 3 is common. So 2x plus 3 is take it outside and the remaining here it is 3x and the minus 2. So our answer is 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 2. Understood this? How to solve this? How to factorize this question? Okay. Now the last question is this one, 3x square minus x minus 4. This question you have to do self. So that's why it's a homework. 3x square minus, so you how to find this? The product is 3 into minus 4, that is minus 12. And the sum is product. Product is 3 into minus 4 is 12. Minus 12 and the sum is minus 1. Okay, like that you can do this. Okay, which are the numbers to get this 12 and the sign you check and you have to, that is the sign is minus. So one number is plus and the other number is minus. And if the sign is minus, some sign is minus, so bigger sign is minus. Okay, that's why you can do this problem self and study this factors and write each question 2 times and send it to me and study well this problem. Thank you.